In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list posts by category in WordPress. If you're aiming to organize your content effectively, this tutorial is just what you need. WordPress, being a versatile platform, offers a lot of flexibility, and categorizing posts can make your site navigation efficient and user-friendly. Let's dive in and learn how you can achieve this on your own WordPress site. First, ensure you are logged into your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center, where all the magic happens. Once you're in, look towards the left-hand sidebar and find the Posts section. Go ahead and click on Categories from the drop-down menu. This is where you can create new categories or view the ones you've already set up. Categories are essential for grouping your posts logically, so if you haven't created them yet, do spend a moment to add relevant categories that suit the kind of content you produce. Now, to list your posts by category, you'll need to go to Appearance in the sidebar. Hover over it and then click on Widgets. Widgets are blocks that you can add to your site's sidebar, footer, or other widget-ready areas, and they're perfect for displaying lists of posts by category. Once you're in the Widgets section, you'll see several options. We are interested in the Categories widget. Locate it, then drag and drop it into the widget area where you want your list to appear. This could be your sidebar or footer area, depending on your theme's layout and design. After placing the widget, you will have a few options to configure it. For instance, you can choose to display the category names as a drop-down or list them, show the post counts for each category, or display the hierarchy if you have subcategories. Make sure to customize these settings to suit your preferences perfectly. The post count option, for example, can be quite useful if you want visitors to know how many posts are under each category, giving them an idea of how the content is distributed across your site. Once you've configured the settings to your liking, remember to click on the Save button to store your changes. This step is crucial because it ensures that your widget settings are applied correctly on your website. With that, your website is now set up to display posts by category in the widget area you selected. This gives your readers an easy way to navigate through the different topics you cover on your site. It also enhances the structure of your site, making it not only neat but also functional. So there you have it. You've successfully listed your posts by category in WordPress. This setup should help you manage your site content better while offering a user-friendly experience for your visitors. Keep exploring and customizing your WordPress site to maximize its potential. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.